Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, judges, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Muhammad Autris Zaidan Farid. Today, I would like to tell you a legendary story from Central Java, Indonesia. A story about kindness, arrogance, and the consequences of judging others by their appearance. This is the legend of Baru Klinting, the origin of Rawapening Lake. Long, long ago, in a small village called Ngasem, there lived a woman named Endang Sawitri. She lived a simple life, far from wealth and luxury. But one day, something unbelievable happened. She gave birth to a baby, but the baby was not human. It was a dragon. The villagers were terrified. They whispered, they pointed, and they feared the child. But Endang Sawitri did not run away. With tears in her eyes and love in her heart, she said, "This is my child." She named him Baru Klinting and raised him with patience and affection. As time passed, Baru Klinting grew wiser and stronger. Although he was a dragon, he could speak like a human and think like a human. Deep inside his heart, he had only one wish: to become a human and live along humans. To make his wish come true, Berklinting meditated on Mount Telomoyo for many years. He endured hunger, pain, and loneliness. And finally, the gods answered his prayer. Berklinting transformed into a human boy. But there was one problem. His appearance was still strange. His body was thin, his clothes were old, and his face looked different from the others. Hungry and exhausted, Berklinting walked down to a nearby village. He knocked on doors and asked politely, "Please, may I have some food?" But the villagers laughed at him. "Go away! You look disgusting! We don't have such like you!" Door after door was closed in his face. His heart was broken. Then he met an old widow living alone in a small hut. She was poor, but her heart was rich. When she saw Baru Klinting, she smiled and said, "Come in, my child. I don't have much, but you may share what I have." That simple act of kindness changed everything. The next day, a big celebration was held in the village. Berklinting came and challenged the villagers. "Whoever can pull the stick from the ground," he said, "will be the strongest person here." One by one, the villagers tried, but none of them succeeded. Then Baru Klinting pulled the stick easily. Suddenly, water burst out from the ground, stronger and stronger, until the entire village was flooded. The villagers screamed and ran, but it was too late. The village disappeared beneath the water. Only the kind old widow was safe, guided to a safe place by Baru Klinting. From that disaster, a vast lake was formed. The people later called it Rawapening, which means clear swamp. And Baru Klinting he disappeared, leaving behind a powerful lesson. Ladies and gentlemen, this legend teaches us that kindness will always be rewarded and arrogance will lead to destruction. Never judge others by their appearance, because you may never know who they truly are. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.